Hello everyone, take some colored paper, then take a stencil and then make a circular shape out of it. Cut it, make multiple slits on it and then add a brown center to it. Add checks onto your brown center, then add a stem and leaves to the base of it. Next, cut out multiple red circles as such, fold them into semicircles and stick them together. Then cut out the shape of leaves in green paper and then draw on the detailing to it. Make it look like cherries and then add the glistening effect to it. Next, take some red paint and water mixed and then spread it out using a straw. Cut up a circular sheet of paper that is red and then stick them onto the same paper. Add little dots to signify that it is a watermelon. Take a tissue paper, roll it over and then make the circular shape out of it. Then take some green paper and then use the tissue paper as the back of the snails as such. Use paint and then paint it in and then add other detailing. Next, we will start off by taking a black marker and then make it look like a tree. Add the branches of each of the trees and then add little balls of clay to signify the leaves and everything else. Add clay to the bottom to signify the ground as well. Take some clay that is peach in color and then put it onto a sheet of paper. Add multiple lines to it using a toothpick or any other sharp object. Now using marker, outline it and then using red and green accordingly, make a little watermelon around it. Next, we will start off by taking a cup and then take some red paper in the shape of the cup and then stick it onto your white circular sheet of paper. Add a white top to it, add the half cup on top of this and then add watermelon shapes all around. Take a circular yellow sheet of paper, cut it up as such and then using some clay, add an outer layer to it. Add little shapes onto it using red, green and brown clay as such and then add some white clay on top to make it look like cheese. This is a pizza. Thank you for watching.